Good morning, students. In my last video, I have showed you a sine bx plus c, the periodic function, and I have actually sketched that graph y equal to sine x, and the value of a was 1, b was 1, and c was 0, or y equal to 0, and the graph looks like this. And in this video, I'm going to use this piece of paper that I have just print some of the shape like this. I'm gonna draw graph over here. Now let's draw a graph, a function y equal to, let's say 2 sine, let's say 2x plus 1. Now let's make this one 3. Okay, over here you know that y equal to a sine bx plus c. So a is amplitude is 3, so a equal to 3, and number of cycle b equal to 2. So period would be 360 divided by 2, or 180 degree. What this means, that the shape of the curve of sine x, like this shape, okay, to complete this one shape is going to take 180 degree. So within 360 degree, it's gonna have another shape like this. It's gonna repeat itself one more time. Okay, so that's what it says. And baseline over here is c equal to 1. That means y equal to 1. Now how can we draw that or sketch that? Now remember the table I have drawn for the last one. It was 5 important points. It was back here. Okay, 5 important points: 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. When it was base, the b, number of cycle, was 1, then my important values were like this. But when b equal to 2, then this value, look at this, is from 0 to 90, that's positive 90. From 90 to 180, that also positive 90. And then from 180 to 270, that's again positive 90, and 270 to 360, that's again positive 90. Now when base is 2, this 90 gets divided by 2, then it becomes 45. So instead of this kind of table, in this graph y equal to 3 sine 2x plus 1, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change the points. First one, I'm gonna put 0. Then remember 90 divided by 2 equal to 45. I'm gonna add 45 to that. That's gonna be 45. And 45 plus 45 is 90. 90 plus 45 is 135. 135 plus 45 is 180. So when it's 180, the period, I'm gonna stop right here. So I'm gonna get the value of y. I can use the calculator, or I can just put this value over here, but let's put this one. Okay, what you can do, you can put 3 sine, this is a lengthy process. In my another video, I'll show you how you can do it really fast. 2 times 0 plus 1, you can see that it becomes 1. Okay, and when it's 45, actually let me show it over here. You're gonna write down this equation over here: 3, then sine, then put bracket is here, 2, then put alpha, and this button over here, and see that on the top of that it says x. If you press this one after pressing alpha, it's gonna give you a capital X. Then close the bracket, plus 1. Okay, don't do anything, just press calculate over here. Calculate, then it shows x equal to what? It says 0. Okay, put 0 and enter. It's gonna give you 1. Now again go back to calculate, and then this time the value of x is 45. So put 45, then enter. It's gonna be 4. And again calculate, then put 90. That's gonna be 1. Calculate 135. That's gonna be minus 2. Then calculate 180. That's gonna be 1 again. Okay, you can do it manually, or you can put it value like that. So this is the value. What that means? Now over here, 141 minus 21. So this line, let me draw this line. Okay, over here, that's 1. So I'm gonna draw this dotted line over here, and over here is 90. This is 180. This is 270, and this is 360. Now 1 is the baseline. 1 is the baseline over here. So this is, I'm gonna use a different color and write down this y equal to 1, and amplitude is 3. So from the baseline, it's gonna go up 3. So from here, 1, 2, 3. So this actually means 2, 3, 4. From this baseline, 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna draw a broken line right over here. And from this is 0, this is -1, -2, -3. From here, I'm gonna go below 3 because my amplitude is 3. 1, 2, 3. That's on -2. So I'm gonna draw another broken line like that. Okay. And at 90 degree, I'm gonna draw a broken line. And at 180 degree, I'm gonna draw a broken line. And at 270, I'm gonna draw another broken line. And at 360, I'm gonna draw another broken line. Let's say the question is asking to sketch this one when x is less than or equal to 360 degree or greater than and equal to 0 degree. Okay, in this region, in this range of values of x, okay, or we can say domain of x, I would have 2 cycles like that, okay, or 2 oscillation. Now to do that, remember my new important points was 0, 20, 45, 90, 135, 180. So I'm gonna divide this into equal parts, 45, 90, then this is gonna be 135, that's 180. Let's deal with one of them. So at 0, it's 1, so at 0, this is 1. At 45, it's 4. So this is 45 in between 90. So this is 45, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's over here. At 90, it's 1. So 90 is 1. At 135, this is 135. 40, 90 plus 45, that's 135. It's over here at -2. And at 180, it's 1. It's this one. So I'm gonna draw this graph or sketch the graph like this. That's one cycle. You can see that one cycle. Now I'm gonna draw another cycle. I don't need to put this value anymore because when my graph ends at 180, the next cycle will start from the same point, 180. So this point, important point, I'm gonna put it over here, 180. And remember, I'm adding 45. So 180 plus 45, that's 225. 225 plus 45, that's gonna be 270. 270 plus 45, 315. 315 plus 45, 360. Now at 180, it's 1. At 225, it's 4. So let me just, I'm gonna use a different color to show that another cycles comes over here. So over here, and at 225, it's 4. 180 plus 45, this is 225, it's 4. And at 270, it's 1. So this is 270, 1. And 315, 270 plus 45, this is 315, that's -2. This is -2. And 360, it's 1. So it's over here. So I'm gonna keep going and I'm gonna stop it right over here. So you can see that this one is my period, okay, of this graph, y equal to 3 sine 2x plus 1. So number of cycle was 2. See that within 360 degree I have 1 cycle, 2 complete cycles, okay. And 3 from the baseline is y equal to 1. This one, the value of c, I hope you remember c. This 2 is value of b, and this 3 is value of a. So a, b, c. A is the amplitude from baseline. It goes up 3 units, 1, 2, 3, or it goes down 1, 2, 3. So how far it goes up or how far it goes down, that shows by the amplitude. Okay, A equal to 3. And number of cycles 2. And period T equal to 360 divided by 2, again 180 degree. So within 180 degree I have one complete circle. In another 180 degree, that means within 360 degree I have two of them. Okay, that's the graph. And this one over here, the baseline, that shows actually vertical shift. The graph is going to go up or down. If it was -1, then the graph, the same graph would have been come down, and this line would be over here. Okay, I hope you understand that. If you don't, I'm going to show that in this video. Y equal to 3 sine 2x minus 1. Now what's going to happen, again I'm going to put this value like that, important points, 0, 45, 90, 135 and 180, and this is y. Okay, and then I'm gonna do this again. I'm gonna just change this one to -1. See that, 3 sine 2x minus 1, and I'm gonna calculate. If it's 0, it's gonna be -1. Now that one was 1, this one is -1. Again calculate, I hope you can see that, calculate 45 degree, then it's gonna be 2. Calculate 90, is going to be -1. Calculate 135, that's gonna give me -4. Calculate 180, that's gonna give me -1. So in this graph, on the same axis, I'm gonna draw this one. Okay, at 0 degree, it's -1. I think I'm gonna use a different color. At 0 degree, it's -1 over here. At 45, it's 2. 45 is 1, 2 right over here. At 90, it's -1 right over here. And 135 is -4. So this one was 1, 2, so -4. I need to go a little bit down here. So -4 is right over here. And at 180, -1. So the graph should be going something like this. You can see every point. Okay, from 1, it came to -1. So it moved 2 units, 1 to 2 units below. And from here 1 2, from here 1 2, from here 1 2, from here 1 2. So it came down, the whole graph came down this. So you don't need to just draw that once again. You can just bring this one down 2 units. So it's gonna be here, that's gonna be here, this is gonna be here, and this is gonna be right over here. So continue this. So this graph, this pink color graph, is this one. And if you don't understand this, you can just keep adding that. 180, 225, 270, 315 and 360. So this value is 0, and 180 gonna give me -1. 45 and 225, that's gonna give you 2. And 90 and 270, that's gonna give you -1. And 135 and 315, that's gonna give you same value, -4. And 180 and 360 gonna give you -1. So you can see that this value over here, the value of C, determines if the graph is gonna go upwards or downwards. Okay, this is known as horizontal shift, vertical shift, because it's moving vertically. It's either positive is this side and negative is this side. So we call that vertical shift was taken place because C was not 0. If it was 0, it's on the x-axis. I hope you understand that, and in next video I'll show you how to do cos graph. Thank you. Have a good day.